Fundamentals Understanding Variables, Data Types and Operators. Welcome to our JavaScript Fundamentals series. In this episode, we'll dive deep into understanding variables, data types and operators in JavaScript. Let's start with variables. In JavaScript, variables are containers for storing data values. They are like boxes in which you can store information. Variables can hold various types of data such as numbers, strings, booleans, and more. Here's how you declare a variable in JavaScript. You can also assign a value to a variable. Let's talk about data types. JavaScript has several data types including numbers, strings, booleans, arrays, objects, and more. For instance, numbers are used for numeric values, strings are used for textual data, and booleans represent true or false values. Now, let's explore operators. Operators are symbols that perform operations on variables and values. JavaScript supports various types of operators such as arithmetic, assignment, comparison logical and more. Here are some examples of operators in action. And there you have it, a brief overview of variables, data types, and operators in JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. Happy coding!